we look at another initiative of the Lagos State government. It's the first of its kind in the country, the launch of the Electronic Real Estate Litigation System, otherwise known as the Lease Pending Electronic System. Let's tell you more about it in this next report. The Electronic Real Estate Litigation System is an initiative of the Lagos State Ministry of Justice. On Tuesday, the 30th of January, the ministry played host to key stakeholders when it launched the initiative. The Solicitor General and Permanent Secretary, Ministry of Justice, Funlola Odunlami, who represented the Commissioner for Justice in the state, notes that real estate is responsible for a very large turnover within the economy of the state. The need to close a transaction at the earliest time to actually ensuring that value for money is procured in the real estate market reflects several complexities which the state government has tried to address.
There is a constant need to strike a balance between speed and due diligence so as to reduce the risk involved in such transaction. A risk which, though may appear non-existent, but which may be devastating and monumental when dealing in real estate, which is subject of a pending court case, a disputed property. With a vision of becoming the largest economy in Africa, it is expected that the level of economic and commercial activities in Lagos State would experience an unprecedented level, height, and pace. The real estate sector is expected to further attract a significant amount of attention. The world we know today is at the click of a button, technology-driven, and the Lagos State government is certainly in trend with the times. We have been working endlessly to ensure that Lagos is not left in the dark ages. This is why several initiatives and steps have been taken to make Lagos State as technologically driven as possible. The Lagos State Electronic Real Estate Litigation System is designed to provide easy access information to anyone who intends to deal in real estate with information primarily on whether the property is subject of litigation, that is, a case in court. In addition, it offers end users the platform for filing a lease pending entry, which may be uploaded on the lease pending online system, thus giving actual and constructive notice to the public and its innocent purchasers.
Other stakeholders applauded the initiative.
The judiciary has the responsibility of resolving disputes between litigants. So this will go a long way in making administration of justice easier and smoother in Lagos State.
There's so many laws and so many policies we have in this state that, to me, are salutary and quite commendable. But the people that are meant to be served with don't have this the awareness that we have these laws and policies in place. So what I want to say is that this particular project, this particular policy should be, the awareness should be created.
And there are also those who have concerns about the workability of the process.
We are all aware about the ongoing program about doing business, not only in Lagos and in Nigeria. This will also complement the effort of government in ensuring ease of doing business, particularly in the area of real estate. But we observe something, and our observation is about the fact that this is supposed to have a legal backing. For instance, in Lagos State, the issue of search is governed by law. There is a law that set up the land registry and give the land registry power to anybody that wants to conduct search can go there and conduct search. There's a provision for that in Lagos State Registration of Title Law of 2015. So this pending electronic registry should also have such a legal backing.
But how exactly can users access this service?
You visit www.lagosleasependings.com.ng. Now you have a property description, perhaps number 3, Allen Street, Ikeja. You put in those parameters, you click search, and it brings out different results. You could also, if you have the survey number, you could go to the site, put in the survey number. If you have some of the title document, the numbers for the title document, you could go there, lodge in those title documents, the numbers, and it bring out different results. Then you click details and it shows you details of the property. Perhaps the property is in Ikeja, the property is in Lagos, the property is in Shomolu, anywhere in Lagos State, that will show. So it gives you an information, it confirms that this property, whether this property is subject of a pending court case or not, so you are aware.
The more the public keys into the service, the quicker it will be fine-tuned to address any grey areas, and hopefully other states can emulate this service.
Lagos Ministry of Justice.
And with that, we come to the end of this week's episode of Law Weekly. Please feel free to send in your comments via any of our social media handles. You can also watch this episode of the program or past ones on our YouTube channel. I'm Shola Sheyeli. Thank you for watching.